I've had bad teeth for many years. It's since my early 20s, really. I had teeth missing, teeth that were ground down because I grind a lot. It really did affect the way I felt about my appearance for many years. More so, it even affect the way I ate, the way I chewed, a lot of things. And you know, I put up with it for many years. And then I came in here to see Dr. Leila and her colleagues, and they assured me that something can be done about this. I really hadn't thought so. I'd lost hope after all these years, really. So, but you know, they took me through the process. They discussed the options with me. And what's more important than that, I think, was that they did a really good job. I mean, they took it gradually, they took it slowly, they a little bit at a time, and before I knew it, it was all done. And I just feel fantastic right now. I've got a full set of teeth. I smile with confidence, and I really have to hand it to the team here. I mean, they're genuinely caring. They're very friendly. I feel very comfortable talking to everyone here now, very familiar with everyone, and I trust everyone here. The work is of a very high quality. I mean, I travel from other countries to come here to do my dental work, and I think I will probably continue to do that in the future. So my experience here has been very, very positive. You know, in fact, I think this is probably the best dental clinic I've ever been to.